Hi everybody, and welcome to our first real science lesson. I hope you had some practice last week getting used to using all of the tools. Now today I'm wearing a baseball hat because our first unit has a lot to do with things like the game of baseball. We are starting a new unit, and again, welcome to Hartigan Laboratories, also known as my living room. Our new unit is on forces and motion, and today our lesson will be on balanced and unbalanced forces. This is what you're going to need today for class. A hardcover book, like this, not too big, not too small. And then later on you're going to need a partner to work with, just for a couple of minutes. And then you're going to need a way to take a picture, so a phone, a tablet, a computer, whatever you have at home to do that. If you didn't do it last week, set up your BrainPop account because you can't play the game later on if you don't have it set up. This is what we're going to do today. First, I'm going to read you one of my favorite books called One by Catherine Otoshi. Then we're going to discuss a little bit about the theme of the book. Then you're going to get to watch a BrainPop video on gravity. Then you're going to get to play an online balance game. Then you're going to watch a video of me performing today's experiment. Then you're going to perform the experiment yourself at home. And then you're going to post 3 pictures of you doing the experiment. So I'm going to walk you through what today's lesson looks like. And then after you're done watching this video, you can get started by just continuing to go through the slideshow. So, Joey, you broke the lamp. It's not my fault. Then whose fault is it? I blame gravity. This is where you'll read, I will read the book 1 to you. I hope you enjoy it. This is where you're going to post a response to the book. Please make sure you post a response of some sort. And then what I'm really looking at today is what are the forces we experience each day? You are pushing down on the ground because of gravity is pulling you toward the center of the earth. The earth is pushing back up on you. You stay on the earth and don't float away because of gravity. When you jump, you fall back to earth because of gravity. You even have a little gravity yourself. You are just much smaller than the earth, so gravity, its gravity wins out over your gravity. So basically, everything that has mass has gravity. The bigger the mass, the larger the gravity. So you have gravity and the earth has gravity, but since the earth is so much larger, its gravity wins out over yours. This is where you're going to watch the BrainPop video about gravity. And if you want to, you can do the BrainPop quiz afterward. This is where you're going to write down how gravity can affect your daily life. This is the balance game that's in BrainPop that I want you to play, and you need a BrainPop account to play this. This is the video of me performing the experiment with the help of my husband. Here are the directions for the experiment with diagrams and pictures for what you're supposed to do. Here's where you're going to post the book on the floor experiment. Here's where you're going to post the balanced push bridge experiment. And here's where you're going to post the balanced pull bridge experiment. So go ahead, get started, and have fun. And if you need help, please email me at brandi.hartigan@smaa.org. Have fun. Play ball.